Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to block the ads in your Edge app on Android. So by default Edge doesn't have a built-in ad blocker, or it doesn't block all the advertisement, but it helps in blocking the intrusive or the misleading ads. For that, what you can do is you can tap on this 3-bar options and go to settings, and within the settings go to the privacy and security and select the site settings. Once you are in the site settings, scroll down to the content section and it will have this intrusive ads, and just select that. And right now the toggle switch is off, which means the ads are blocked. But if you want to enable the ads, then you can turn on this toggle. Ensure that you have keep this toggle switch off to block all the intrusive ads. Now there is a new feature added where you can add the extensions which isn't currently in the beta, which doesn't have any ad blockers right now, but maybe in future the ad blockers will be added to the extension list. And once you have done, you can just tap on get and then install the ad blockers, which will be supported within the Edge app on Android. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.